We asked and eBay listened, and I could not be more excited for this new update with a winter update. I will link the winter update, the full winter update down below so you guys can see everything that's changed. In today's video, I am talking about how to send coupons to past buyers. Currently, well, past a month ago, eBay came up with how to send coupons, and you will have to know how to create a coupon. I will link a how-to video up here. I'm showing you in today's video on how to send it to past buyers. So previous to the update, you had to go in one by one to your past buyers and send a coupon. It was very time consuming, and so I never did it. And I know a lot of other eBay sellers that were in a similar position. We reached out, a community told eBay, and they have since fixed that to where you can go in and send it in group. It can take you 30 seconds to send it out. And I'm going to show you guys in today's video how to set it up and then how to tell if it's actually working. Is it going to be worth your time to continue to do this? So you do have to have an eBay store, and you want to come up to your seller hub. So you come up to where it says sell and then marketing. I have how-to videos on a lot of eBay stuff on marketing, how to create sales, lots of this stuff. Today's video, we're going to be doing buyer groups, and this is new. It's buyer groups. You can set up a group of people and then send them a coupon. So I'm going to walk you through how to set up a group of people, and then I'll walk you through how to send a coupon to all of these people. We're going to come on down here. This is your buyer insights. We're going to go ahead and scroll down and then come over here to create a buyer group. So this is going to be, you can have different buyer groups. I have one set up for, I don't remember what I have it set up for, to be honest. But this is past buyers. So it's going to be their most recent purchase. It's looking at your buyers on eBay, and you can select whatever filter you want. I think I did more than 30 days ago. I don't want to, if someone bought something, they're not likely going to need another thing. Depending on what you sell, this is where it's nice because you can, do it based off of what you sell. For me, I sell women's clothing, shoes, and purses. Usually I'll give them about a month before I'm like, okay, hey, here's a coupon. So I did more than 31 days. You could do 3 months, you could do 6 months. You just pick the filter that you want. You can select categories. I have all inventory. But if you wanted to be like, oh, hey, here's Christmas is coming. Here's a coupon for all my Christmas stuff. You can go in and try and figure that out. And then I do highly recommend creating a group name that makes sense and that is easy for you to kind of follow and track and see how it's doing, as well as, when you're sending, if you have multiple groups, you'll know exactly what it is. So I would do like 31 days or something for my group name, right? And so that's it. For the sake of the video, because it's recording, I'm not going to go through this all the way, but you would save your buyer group, and then you would go ahead and wrong screen. We'll get there in a minute. So you would go ahead and create your buyer group, and then when you scroll down, you're going to have a buyer group down here. So you can see I created a buyer group in February. I created it for 31 plus. And then it tells you this group is more than 31 days ago. I've selected all categories. It reached 2,173, it reached. And then I did send a coupon. And then for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to send the coupon. You just go here and you click send coupon. And then you can pick, and this is why you have to have coupons set up. I highly, highly recommend setting up, various different coupons that you have and having naming conventions so that you know what they are. I have, this one, I know Enjoy Sales. This is a public coupon for me. This helps you. In a minute, I'm going to show you how to tell what's working. This is going to help you be able to look at it and say, hey, this is my public coupon. I'm going to look at my data and see, is that actually working for me? If you don't name them naming conventions, it's going to be hard for you to kind of tell if they're actually working and if it's worth your money to be doing it or not. This is newsletter. You can set up newsletters and send it. I will link a video up above, eBay how-to tutorial playlist on how to do that. And then I have various different ones. For the sake of this video, I'm going to pick we'll do the newsletter one because this is kind of like a newsletter. I'm sending it to people. So, and then you can type in, it automatically has this, you can type it in, but this for me is a way that I can go in and say, hey, you haven't purchased something in 31 days. I'm gonna send you a coupon and drum up some business. And I am gonna send a coupon. I was gonna do it this weekend anyways. So I'll do it on camera with you. And then not only can you do this, this is why I love eBay, is I'm gonna show you how to tell if it's actually working. Yes, this only took me all of, 2 minutes to set up. And once you have the buyer group set up, it'll take you 30 seconds to send a coupon. But is it actually working? So if you come back up here and you go to your marketing and you go to, I think I selected promotions, you can come down here and this is all your promotions. You can look at, you know, do you give an order discount? How is that working? Do you give shipping discounts, volume, co-list coupons, and then if you run sales. For the sake of this video, we clicked on coupons. I want to see if they're actually working. And this is when the naming conventions of the coupons is important. You can see here I named it public coupon. So I know on eBay you can have a coupon banner at the top. I know that I have gotten I have a 54% sales lift and I've made $293 for that. So for me, it's worth it. The newsletter one, this is me sending out the coupon. So I sent it out and I made a sale from it. So it did work. Not all of them have worked. You can see if you scroll down, I have a bunch of these other ones that are zeros. So I know not to waste my time doing this anymore. If you guys like this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video, I will link a playlist here of eBay how-to tutorials, and then make sure to hit that subscribe button to learn how to make money reselling and how to eBay and Poshmark.